Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a classic tool that's still incredibly relevant for educators and presenters, the Apollo overhead projector, specifically the Horizon 2 V16000M model. This isn't just any overhead projector. It's designed to bring your presentations to life with exceptional clarity and ease of use. One of the first things you'll notice about the Horizon 2 is its commitment to a sharp, bright image. It features an open head design with a double Fresnel lens, which is crucial for ensuring that your images are not only clear, but also evenly lit from edge to edge. This means no more dim corners or blurry text, just consistent sharpness across the entire 10-inch by 10-inch stage glass surface. With a robust 2000 lumen light output, your transparencies will pop, even in well-lit rooms, making sure your audience can easily follow along without straining their eyes. Apollo has also put a lot of thought into the longevity and reliability of this unit. It comes equipped with a built-in high-efficiency cooling system. This isn't just a fancy feature, it's essential for preventing overheating, which can significantly extend the life of the projector's lamp and internal components. Plus, the high-low lamp controls give you the flexibility to adjust brightness as needed, further helping to prolong the lamp's lifespan. This means you can present more often, for longer periods, without worrying about constant maintenance or replacements. The design truly shines when considering its primary audience, schools. Weighing in at just 12 pounds and featuring two convenient carry grip handles, this projector is incredibly easy to move. Teachers can effortlessly transport it from one classroom to another, making it a versatile tool across different departments or learning environments. When it's not in use, its design allows for relatively compact storage, ensuring it doesn't take up valuable space in a busy classroom or storage closet. For added peace of mind, the Apollo Horizon 2 comes with a 2-year warranty, which speaks volumes about the manufacturer's confidence in its durability. It also includes practical features like a lamp changer, a locking Kensington security slot for theft prevention, a thoughtful addition for school environments, and a thermal shutoff switch for enhanced safety. Of course, as an overhead projector, it's fully compatible with transparent films. This allows for dynamic, layered presentations that can be incredibly engaging. For the best visual results, Apollo recommends using their own transparency film, which is sold separately, ensuring optimal clarity and color reproduction. In essence, the Apollo Horizon 2 V16000M is a robust, user-friendly, and highly effective overhead projector. It combines classic functionality with modern reliability and thoughtful features, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a dependable solution for clear, impactful presentations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.